Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on your iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to go to Photos, and now in Photos, I'm going to select some photos. So let's select 4 photos, and then I'm going to click on Share. Now, after I have clicked on Share, I am going to go to Print option right over here. And now in the Print option, we are going to select Share again. As you can see, after clicking share, we have this PDF document right over here, which is showing that the document is in PDF format. Now what I'm going to do is select save to files. I'm simply going to save it on my iPhone and click on save. Now if I open the files application and then I will go to on my iPhone, as you can see, this photo is now saved as PDF. So if I scroll down, you will be able to see all those 4 photos that are saved as PDF in my iPhone. Now the creation of PDF is not only limited to photos. You can also create PDFs of your web pages too. So here I will simply open a web page. Now as you can see, I have a web page open, so I'm going to click continue. Now this is a whole web page. I'm going to click on share again. From here I'm going to click on print. Now after printing, I'm going to click share again. As you can see, now it's showing PDF document. From here, I'm going to click on save to files. Since I'm already on my iPhone, I'm going to click save. And now if I go to files again on my iPhone, you'll be able to see that another PDF has been created. And this is the website that I was scrolling, and all 16 pages has been saved as a PDF file. So that's how you can create a PDF file on your iPhone without any application needed. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.